This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Juke. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, side curtain airbags, child seat safety anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a rear window defroster, and an auxiliary power outlet. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, its fuel efficiency will save you time and money. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Matt Castrucci Nissan is located at 3013 Mall Park Drive in Dayton. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.